There's my Percy. Good morning. He's such a cutie. My Percy. Love you. Love you. Look at that. Look at this tail. Uy. Uy. We're gonna get up na, anak. Anak? I called you anak tuloy. We're gonna get up now, Percy. Okay, let's go. Let's go get up now. My Percy. Love you. Thank you for watching me. While I'm sleeping, he's watching over me. Yes? He's so gentle. Look at that. He put his feet on my hand. Look at that. He's such a cutie. Look at his feet. He put his feet on my hand. Look at that. Wait. What's that? Are you saying hi? Hi, mommy. You're such a cutie. You gonna go get up na, babe? Hulog ikaw, ha? Hulog ikaw. Oh, tingnan mo, oh. Oh. You're so gentle. Thank you, Percy. Look at that. It's not hurting me. Hmm. You're so cute. Hmm. Percy, I love you. Hmm? You're so cute. Love you. Uy. ah. Ah. You're so cute. He's sleeping beside me. You guys. I'm so lucky. My Percy loves me. Love you, Percy. I love you too. Look at his feet. Look at that. Put it on my hand. I don't know what does that mean. He just put his feet on my hand. Look. You're such a cutie.